Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Robinhood stock research tools. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to access the research tools, and how you want to do that is to open the Robinhood app on your mobile device, and then just tap discover in the bottom navigation bar, and then select research from the discovery menu. Now step 2 is to use the stock screener. Just tap screener in the research menu, and then you can choose from various criteria such as market cap, sector, and dividend yield, and then just apply filter to narrow down your search results. Now the step 3 is to view stock charts, so you can just tap charts in the research menu and choose a stock to view its charts, and there you can customize the chart by selecting different time frames, indicators, and comparisons. Now the fourth step is to read news and analyst ratings, so you can tap news in the research menu and choose a stock to view its news and analyst ratings, and you can read articles from reputable sources and view analyst ratings from firms like Morningstar. Now the fifth step is to use the financial tools, so you can just tap financial in the research menu and then choose a stock to view its financials, and you can view income statements, balances, and cash flow statements to help you make informed investment decisions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Robinhood stock research tools. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.